Kind of seeing the dynamics of this river a little bit at a time. Oh, wow. You called it, buddy. Wow. He buried, yeah. Gosh, when the hot water, they just cream it. River Atsit is an absolutely beautiful morning out on the river. Though there's not many mornings that I get to be out on the river that I don't feel like it's a beautiful morning on the river, but Chris was nice enough to catch some bluegills, and we're gonna try to feed them to some catfish, or whatever eats them. So let's go. We even got a nice shady spot, although this time of day it's not as big of a deal as it will be in about an hour and a half. See if we can get her to stick up here. There we go. Do you want a garfish, or do you want to just start catfishing? I think 3 of them got gar rigs on them. Only one of them's rigged for catfish. All right,
Doesn't matter to me.
let's rig them up for cats then.
Well, if we're gonna fish for gar too.
Well, we can just hang them leaders, and I got 2 or 3 already rigged up. I just got to tie them on.
All right.
It's settled. Might as well get one out there because one's already rigged up while we're waiting. Any slightly unhealthier looking ones?
I don't know. I just pulled the dead ones out and threw them out.
Be nice to just get bit while rigging up the other ones.
That would be pretty awesome.
How far away are we from 81? Where'd Skip go?
Right here, is that number 86.9, or is that the water?
Skip! Where'd the hell did he go? Oh, he's over there. I don't want to see him fall, but I kind of want to see him fall. What a creature. It's right in the area. Put it right in it. Is he gonna do it? It's acting slightly more catfishy. Yeah, maybe not. That was kind of a gar head shake. Oh. Is he still on it? Oh. Yeah, I see the swirl. Maybe it's not a gar. If this is a blue cat, this is like the most lethargic biting blue cat ever. I think he's there. He put the jets on there for a sec. Oh, it's a gar. Hooked him right on the snoot. Man, I can't believe how fast they are.
Well, they're built like a torpedo.
Right. Man, might as well net him. I think that'll probably be the safest means. Oh! Thank you.
To most people, that would be a big fish until you've seen the gar down here.
Well, that's the thing that sticks out to me. Like, it's just a baby, but that's a big baby.
Hey.
It's like Amos, man. Amos is Chris's giant borbal, which is an African Mastiff, right?
South African, yeah.
South African. Okay. I'm gonna open up. Somewhat of a jaw spreader.
There it is. One of those needle teeth.
Yeah. Gnarly critters, buddy. Gonna be nice. Yeah, that's a big baby. Like I said, I can't get over how fast they are. Like, I thought he was there, then I thought he was off, and then I saw the line jet to the right, like a torpedo got stuck to him for a second. But yeah, crazy fish. Okay, you can let go if you'd like. Or not. Did we just become best friends? No. That's what he thought of that. And if you're ever like, that dude says some really dumb stuff when he's holding fish, I just say what's on my mind. So sometimes my thoughts are really dumb. No skunk, Skip. We caught a gur. I'm kind of happy how they kind of know, just like, oh, stuff's going down, get out of the way. Like Woody's still back there.
Yeah, those gar are not going to try to eat them, but those needle teeth.
Oh, they thrash around. They could catch an ankle so easy. They could, you know, if the dogs get in the mix. Did I tell you the other night when I caught that big one, when it splashed, Skip just starts barking like crazy? It was pretty funny. We, no catfish, but got that gar so it wasn't like complete waste of a spot. We are high centered on a log, I think. So this could be interesting. Probably have you stand on that corner.
All right.
If I have to get out, I'm gonna sink to my kneecaps. We are not moving, not even a little bit. Huh. We're pretty solid, buddy. All right.
You don't think the jet would pull it off?
I mean, maybe. Oh. We're moving. Hang on. Are we floating? Still kind of stuck. Step forward off the back. There we go. Cool. All right. I gotta pee, then we'll hit the road.
On a big mama or?
Sure. Just hand me the net.
It's peeing on me.
That's a different kind. I'm not sure if that's a bluegill or just looks a little different. Might be my imagination. Actually, a little current here is what I really like. I'm gonna try my best to send this one downtown. Quite a bit more depth there. Come on. You're up, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna sit back and drink a water. Woody's a big fan of the fan. That's a little more. Oh. Gotta be quicker than that. Isn't that the Geico commercial? Oh. Got him?
Yep.
Cool.
This is a catfish. He's pretty substantial.
Really? Well, that's kind of exciting.
Could be a gar. Could be
Right.
a baby gar.
I'll get the net ready, either way.
Coming right at me.
Acting like a blue cat or a gar. That looks like a blue cat.
Well, he's not that substantial. He's just
No.
angry.
Hey, we're catfishing. That's a catfish. Yeah, just swing him right here and I'll grab the leader. He ain't bad. He ain't bad at all. Seems to be the norm out here. My grips are all chewed up now. It was quick. I like that. Here, I'll help you out there. What a beautiful specimen. Look at the colors on that one. More current here. Seems to be the overarching theme I'm seeing. All right, I'm gonna try to get him closer to the drop. I think I got it over the drop.
He felt a hell of a lot bigger than that when he took it.
I wonder if he was stuck on something. There's like scattered rocks and logs and stuff up in there. But either way, we got a catfish. Small victories. Kind of seeing the dynamics of this river a little bit at a time. Oh, wow. You called it, buddy. Wow. He buried, yeah. He's sprinting at me like a blue. That was I mean, he's not 40, but gosh, when the hot water, they just cream it. The drag might be a little tight too. I'll get him on this side. That's a little bit better, huh?
Yeah.
We got one during the day. I like it. Okay, that's out of the way.
Oh, he was so good. He wasn't coming off.
Good. That's what I like to see. If they bury it, they at least better. I want them to get a good hook, you know. You got pliers over there too if you need them on the bungee, the green bungee. Yeah, you weren't kidding, not even a little bit.
Yeah, he was all the way through his lip.
Oh. Yeah, he ain't that big. He's the nicest looking blue cat I've seen. He's not mangy like that other one I caught. Yeah, he doesn't look like he came out of a pay lake. He's actually a good looking blue cat. Not, the way he hit it, I thought he was gonna be like 5 times this big, but when the water's hot, they're tuned up and everything's hot out here. Like, although it's chilled out a little bit. The water was like 91 one day, 87 today, 87 and a half. I don't know, I'm just rambling. Caught some fish, 2 catfish, 1 spot. Love it. Appreciate how they made me work for them at the beginning of this trip, because I appreciate those fish a little bit more.
You don't take them for granted.
Right. Hopefully they're just kind of spread out in this hole. Like I threw that one about 40 feet further just to get it in a slightly different area. I'm gonna bet we don't get another one here. Give it a 2 sandwich length of time and then move on. Ooh. I don't think that was the bluegill. I think that middle rod's what the bluegill's on.
That was the bluegill. Something scared the shit out of him. Because he hadn't been doing anything.
I mean, he's down at Lion's Den, man. Well, you get a fish, they happen quick, and then it's over. So no point staying, I don't think. That's a stick. See if I can get this one 130 feet. $144. Should be in the zone. All right, we'll see how this goes. Give her 5-10 minutes is all. Then go to the sauce. Didn't take Skip long to come back. It's hot out there, bud. He didn't feel like walking on the surface of the sun any longer. Where's a 40-pounder with your name on it here, Chris? Just have a feeling. I don't know if he's gonna eat, but Oop. You make it look so easy, Chris.
Yeah. Like a ballerina.
This is a pretty small, unstable boat. No. That one's already getting bit. Chris?
Go ahead.
Okay. Oh, he just popped off. He was clear up on the top. Could have been a gar, I guess, but full drag in the holder. Right by the tree in the current. Auto bite. Annoying. He was in the ballpark of the biggest fish we've tangled with today. It sucks. Chris, you didn't miss anything.
That's good enough.
Yeah. Or maybe you would have got him, I guess.
Right.
I did not. It was quick like it's supposed to be. Yeah. Skip, you're in the danger zone, buddy. The get stepped on zone. I thought he might actually do it for just a sec. It's so funny, you get the immediate bite and then nothing but nibblers. It was kind of substantial. Well, that's not the bluegill doing that. Let him bury it. Pull it down, bud. Got him?
Yep.
Sweet.
Oh, come on.
He came off?
Yep. Bluegill's still alive.
I think that was our flathead myself. Of course, he got teeth marks.
Ripped his mouth off.
Oh, that's
a gar.
That's a gar.
Yeah.
All right, I suddenly feel better. It's like, finally got a flathead bite, but it was not a flathead bite.
That was a good bluegill, too.
Good thing you have 10 more just like him.
Yeah, it is.
It's no longer panicked.
I just don't have any service, but it's out of SOS.
How are you doing, sir?
Oh, just staring at fishing rods.
It's back in SOS.
You out fishing?
Yep.
I'm doing any good?
We got, what, 2 blues and a little gator gar.
Well, I want to hang into a monster.
Oh, is he going to do it? We're swaying all over the place. Got him? Oh, he's got him.
Okay, I'll let you go. I know you're filming.
All right. See you, Micah.
All right. Bye.
Bye. The phone call bite. We stretched that phone call out a ways, though, so I don't know if you still call it the phone call bite. Where are we at here?
It's either a gar or
Oh, it's a blue.
decent sized fish. I don't know.
He's spinning. It's a blue, I bet.
Boy, they fight harder.
Dude, they are angry here. I was with you. I was thinking that was a much larger fish. I appreciate it. I ain't mad about it.
No, that's great.
It's better than the other way around.
I mean, I'd hate to see what a 40-pounder would find.
Oh, God, I want to see it. That 20 I got the other day, he wasn't nice.
He's all wrapped up in this.
Yeah, we'll get the grips on him and then start doing the rest. The downfall of the Double hook rig. The upside is it works. Yeah, they're a special kind of tuned up here, buddy.
I'm telling you.
Yeah. Not a big fish, not even kind of a big fish, but really mad fish. I'm glad I'm not that unhappy. Maybe they're just that hungry. I don't know. You want to let him go?
I'll try it out.
Thanks. Let go, buddy. See it. That bluegill keeps, I don't know if it's the bluegill messing around or something messing with the bluegill. Trolling motor doesn't know what to think. Well, don't sweat it. We'll give this another 4 or 5 minutes. I mean, I guess might as well toss it back in, but not going to give it too much more time. And there's another one up the way I want to hit.
A lot of arc on that one.
That's all right. It didn't go far, but it went high.
Yeah. That's really cool.
Yeah, it was neat. All right, we got time for this spot and maybe one more. I'm gonna throw this one over that tree. And we'll see if I can get it back or not. Fell clean somehow. Okay. Can I get him? Oh, he's seesawing on that tree. Man, he whacked that, didn't he? Oh, there's a new tree. Get out of there. Gotta be a blue. Probably fitting in with the rest of them is my guess. Oh, he's a little bigger. At least uglier.
Where you want me to get him?
I'll bring him to the right. Come back. Ugly. There we go. Feel like a catfisherman today.
He's a teener.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Yeah, last spot. Not a giant, but compared to what we've been catching, pretty darn nice one. Ugliest one. I don't know. Looks like an old haggard fish to me, but I'm just speculating. So, I don't know. Happy we got him. He buried it, and let him go. See it. Is that 4 in a gator gar?
Including the gar, yeah, that's 4.
I think 4 catfish though, right? So we had 2 at one spot, then we got another one.
Okay, yeah, you're right.
Now that I think about it a little bit more. And if we ever do hook a big one, this net extends. Just open that up.
Okay.
And you slide it out so you got a little more reach. Not that we've caught a fish where it matters that much, but
That's about the heaviest landing net I've ever tried.
dude.
Sucker's got some weight to it.
Lifetime warranty.
Yeah.
That's why I got it. Definitely trade a little durability for just mass. See if there's another one in there. Oh. Gotta be a gar, right?
Definitely a gar, yeah. Is that the live one?
No.
Is he dead now? If it is.
Well, you want to hit one more spot or you want to call it?
We got time for one more.
Okay. If we catch anything here, it'll be cool. Tell you, as hard as they've been hitting it, it'll be twice as hard in this current. 5-pounder is going to be supercharged. Yeah, that took a little while to hit the bottom. All right, one more bluegill.
Hey!
Oh.
It got hit just then. That one on the left just got hit.
Oh, as soon as I turned around?
I mean, it jerked the shit out of it.
Huh.
It must have thrown it right on top of one's nose or something.
I mean, a fish here is usually here to eat. It'd be a lot cooler if he would have stuck to it.
Yeah.
Well, you're up, Chris, so if it gets whacked, just throw me out of the way. You think he hit it hard enough to steal the bait? Well, if he did hit it hard enough to steal the bait, he didn't get it. So. Yeah, does this spot not feel like the rainforest a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
I thought we might be onto something after that quick bite.
Yeah, I did too. I mean, that was beyond quick. That was immediate.
And just put it in the holder, and I mean, you could be lying for all I know. You could be like, or you know, just pulling my leg a little bit on it.
Right, because I do that a lot.
I mean, I'm not saying you are. I'm just saying you could.
I could, but
Yeah.
as soon as you turned around, I went wham like that.
Be sweet if I wanted to do that again. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. We got to hit the road, but hope you enjoyed this one. Hopefully as much as I did, because like I said, it felt good to go catfishing and catch some catfish. But if you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Hope you catch a giant.